I will now present an Abhinaya piece, a story that I have seen my guru emoting since I was a little child. So it is very special for me to be performing this here tonight. It is the story of Yashodhara, of Buddha, but seen from the point of view of his wife Yashodhara's sacrifice. Prince Siddharth goes out into his kingdom and sees an old man, a leper, and a corpse. And he wonders, why is there so much suffering in this world? And then he sees a holy man meditating peacefully and calmly. And he wonders the contrast. He eventually decides to seek enlightenment and goes out into the forest to meditate, leaving his family sleeping behind. When Yashodhara, his wife,
wakes up in the morning, she is distressed to find that
Siddharth has left without saying a word, and she complains to her friend. She says, "Why did he not confide in me? After all, I am the wife of a warrior clan. It is my duty to adorn him, to give him the sword, and send him to the battlefield."
where no one knows whether he'll return or not. And if I can do that as my duty, then would I have not let him go for meditation? So why did he not confide in me?
सखी वे मुझसे कहकर जाते. Years pass by, and one day she finds out that Buddha has come back to town. She is elated and prepares to welcome him, thinking that he's come to her as a husband. But Buddha stands before her as a holy man seeking alms. She is distressed to hear this and says, "What have I got left to give to you? When you left, I lost everything meaningful. Wait, I have someone that's dearest to me. It is our son, Rahul, and she calls Rahul, donates him to his father as alms." Watching them leave, Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Yashodhara is left all alone after the sacrifice. Concept and choreography by Guru Padma Shri Shobhana Nayan. Music composition by Pandit Jwala Prasad. And lyrics have been taken from the epic of the same name written by Maithili Sharan Group. I present to you Yashodhara.
Buddham Sharanam Gacchami Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami Sangham Sharanam Gacchami Buddham Sharanam Gacchami Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami Sangham Sharanam Gacchami Buddham Sharanam Gacchami Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami Sangham मुझसे कह कर जा, वे मुझसे कह कर जाते सखी, वे मुझसे कह कर जा सखी, वे मुझसे कह कर जा। सिद्ध है तो स्वामी ये गौरव के बात, सिद्ध है तो स्वामी ये गौरव की बात, पर चोरी चोरी पर चोरी चोरी ये ही बड़ा प्यारा सखी, वे मुझसे कह कर जा, वे मुझसे कह कर जा। स्वयं सुसज्जित करके क्षण में प्रियतम को प्राणों के प्रणय, स्वयं सुसज्जित करके क्षण में प्रियतम को प्राणों के प्रणय, हमें छात्र धर्म के नाते सखी, वे मुझसे कह कर जाते, वे मुझसे कह कर जाते, वे मुझसे कह कर जाते। पधारो भव भव के भगवान, पधारो भव भव के भगवान, पधारो भव भव के भगवान, पधारो भव भव के भगवान। रख ली मेरी लज्जा तुमने, रख ली मेरे लज्जा तुमने, आओ अत्र भवान, पधारो भव भव के भगवान, पधारो भव भव के भगवान। नाथ विजय यही तुम्हारी, नाथ 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 विजय है तुम्हारी। तुझको गौरव भारी, दया तुझको गौरव भारी, अपनाए मुझसे लघु नारी, अपनाए मुझसे लघु नारी, होकर महा महा पधारो भव भव के भगवान, पधारो भव भव के भगवान, भव भव के भगवान, भव भव के भगवान, भव भव के भगवान, भव भव के भगवान। दीन न हो गोपे, हीन नहीं नारी कभी, बतलाऊं मैं क्या अधिक तुम्हें तुम्हारा कर्म, पाला है तुमने जिसे वही वधू का दर, पाला है तुमने जिसे वही वधू का दर, कृत्य कृत्य हुई गोपाल, पाया यह योग वो, अब जा तू आरा बड़े बेटा, आरा बड़े पूज्य पिता से परंपरा पातु, पूज्य पिता से परंपरा पातु। बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, बुद्धं शरणं